You know, that's what we do as cattle producers is we turn grass into something that's a little tastier to eat. And there's a lot of grass around this country. The same old problem in the West is water. Our family leased this property, and our purpose was to make this piece of ground the best we could for our. And when I saw the opportunity to get this done, I decided that as a family we needed to do this.
We've had an opportunity to help Bill where we could improve a grazing system to make it more compatible for the wildlife needs as well as for his production needs with his herd of cows that he runs here.
Now we're standing on a spot where traditionally there has been no water, and we're standing here on our 5th trop on this pipeline out of a number of 11. And altogether we have, with the spur lines, a little over 7.5 miles of pipe. And it comes from up at the spring, and now we have it, and we can spread the cows out, just do a better job managing it.
You know, we're making great things happen. We're seeing more sage grouse on this property, more big game, and we've seen elk and moose and deer. And
it's just been good to be able to see these kind of things take place.
On this operation where Bill is working, he is a leasee on 5 different land ownerships, as well as with the BLM, making it a 6th land ownership. We had many struggles to overcome and lots of trials, but together we were able to do it. The private landowners, they're super excited. They're very happy, and it makes a big difference for someone like Bill that wants to make sure that the land is taken care of.
And it's been traditional in my family is if you take care of the land, it takes care of you.